Yawning feels personal, but it's surprisingly contagious. And that's not an accident. When you see or hear someone yawn, your brain mirrors the action automatically. This response is linked to empathy and social bonding, which is why yawning spreads more easily among friends and family than strangers. Scientists believe yawning helps regulate brain temperature, keeping it alert and functioning properly. When groups yawn together, it may synchronize alertness, especially in early human communities. So when you yawn after seeing someone else do it, your brain isn't being lazy. It's being socially connected. If this made you aware of your next yawn, hit like and keep watching for more hidden brain tricks.